Honey, if Ikechukwu wants to stay with his girlfriend in this house, let them be now. Abi, is he not old enough to get married?
Yeah, if he's old enough to get married, then he should be old enough to live in his own house now.
So is it his fault that things are not moving for him?
I know. It is not his fault, it is my fault. You know I'm the one that is rolling the weed for him. And I'm the one that wants to use Dangote's car to do romance.
This your case, it's not belleful. If he wants to live here with his girlfriend, leave them. Let them enjoy their love, Biko.
And there's no problem now. They can go and be enjoying that love under the bridge. Because if I come back here and I still meet them in this house, I will kick them out. And if you put that your bad mouth inside, I will kick you out so that you go and join them.
You cannot do anything. Me, mama. I have grown root in this house. You can't do anything.
No problem. Let me come back here and meet you here. It is bulldozer that I will use to move you.
Oh dear, you cannot do anything. See, mama, I am an Iroko tree. I am in this house. Okay. Nothing will happen.
Alright. No wala. Google it. Find out how many Irokos are falling to the bulldozer.
Oh dear.
Then you will know.
Agi is Iroko. You cannot do anything.
Babe, come to the kitchen, please. Babe. Babe.
Yeah, baby.
Come to the kitchen, please.
All right, babe. I'm coming. Baby.
Try this. Do you like it?
I love it. Aww. It's delicious, just like you.
Oh, thank you, babe.
So, is it done?
Food will be ready soon.
Just I can't wait.
It's a patience.
I cannot wait. Milo. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning to you too. Has your girlfriend now started living here with us?
No. She comes and she goes.
Yeah. She comes and she goes. Is she Hamatan?
Milo, you're funny.
See, if you want to get married, then go and rent your own house. Is that understood? I'll stop doing this nonsense and Nollywood romance inside my kitchen.
I've heard you, I've heard you. Don't worry, Milo.
See, I'm going out now. By the time I return, I do not want to meet her here. Is that understood?
Okay.
Let her go home and be useful to her mother.
Okay. By the time you come back, she won't be here. Milo.
Nonsense. They are calling you baby. You two, you are doing baby bush. Old man with white hair in your anus. They are calling you baby. You are feeling very cool with yourself.
You must be jealous.
Iwu Hausa.
Babe, once you're done, I'll escort you home.
Why? Are you chasing me? Oh, your girlfriend is coming, Abby?
I am not chasing you. You know it's my in-law now. You know man likes complaining. All these old men, I don't like it. I don't want his wahala.
Why? Why is he complaining? He doesn't like me.
That man doesn't like anybody. But don't worry.
Don't worry, I know what I'll do.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to steal his heart. Eat your food. Stop looking at me. I'm not going to do your food.
Didn't I tell you that by the time I come back, I do not want to meet that your girlfriend in this house? No, is it that you are trying to try me?
No. She'll soon go. She's just frying chin-chin for us. You understand?
Frying chin-chin?
Yeah.
Frying chin-chin?
Chin-chin.
Ikechukwu,
She's frying chin-chin. For us now.
Ikechukwu, if she likes, let her fry pop-off. I don't care. I want her out of this house tonight. If I right away. What is it?
Let her finish now.
Finish what?
Go. Let her just finish. She'll go. Baby.
Sir, would you like to try some? Just try it and see if you like it.
Let's try it, eh? Is everything okay?
Good, go.
Sir, do you like it?
Something is about to happen now.
Sir, should I get you chilled coke?
My sister, get. No. Is this chin-chin? Is it imported?
No, she just fried it now.
They just tried it. Congratulations, Ikechukwu. You have finally found the wife.
I can see you are enjoying yourself.
It was like it.
Baby, come and see me off.
Okay, you want to start going?
No. Baby, wait, baby. My sister, what is the rush now? This is your house. I mean, feel free. You can stay overnight so that you can fry us more chin-chin.
Sir, tomorrow I will fry another one. I have to go and do something for my mom.
No problem. Feel free. I'll be expecting you tomorrow, just like you promised.
Okay, sir, I will.
Thank you.
Milo.
They're calling you baby. You're doing like a baby bush.
Baby, come and see me off.
So, my dear,
Yes, sir.
see you tomorrow. Don't forget,
Thank you, sir.
for the chin-chin,
Bye-bye, sir.
you have my vote. Good girl. Wonderful. Found the wife.
Chief! Chief! This is sweet, oh.
Mazi,
This chinchin is very, very
who asked
sweet.
you to eat my chin-chin?
I saw it on the table. Is it not for guests?
For which guest? For who? Are you even a guest? In fact, you are a pest. Yes, you are a pest. You just enter somebody's house. Anything you see, you just start eating, just like that. See, let me tell you, Mazi. Because of you, I am going to buy a dog.
Hey, Chief, don't buy it, though. Chief, I have an allergy.
That Ale kill you there. That Ale will kill you there. See, I will buy that dog. I will buy that dog. And the only instruction I'm going to give that dog is that anywhere it sees you in this compound, it will bite you in the anus. In fact, it will bite you in the scrotum. What is it?
Chief.
Ikechukwu, please, I want you to tell Bella. Tell her to come back and come and fry me some more chin-chin. Because this glutton, Mazi, has if I wipe you, you think it's a wiper that wipe your windscreen. Nonsense.
Milo, I've broken up with Bella. She hasn't gone on.
You broke up with who? Did you even consider my feelings?
Your feelings? Your feelings? Was she my girlfriend or your girlfriend?
She's our girlfriend. She's our girl. See, oh God. But why are you so mean to me now? Why are you so mean to me? Anytime I find anything that makes me happy in this house, you people will just look for someone to spoil it. You see, Ikechukwu, let me tell you. You better go and look for a way to make up with that girl. Make up with her and bring her back to this house so that you can find me more chin-chin. If not, this house will not contain us. What is it?
Talking about change.
If I wipe his slippers, you broke up with the producer. You want to eat the product. Nonsense. You better go and make up with that girl. Come, Mazi, it's like you are looking for it, and you will find it. You will find it, Mazi.
Sure you like it?
The products are really lovely. I like them. I'll take these 2 parts.
Thank you. Let me package it for you.
All right.
Be bringing your money while I'm packaging now.
Aggie, I thought I'm your personal person now. Pack it for me now. I'll pay you by month's end.
You will receive your kit by month end.
Aggie,
Gene?
sell for me on credit now.
Aggie sell credit? No. Aggie sell cash? Yes. Aggie collect transfer. When I see Bagam, we are in business. Who do you play music? Who do you play music?
Aggie, you safe. You too like money. Never see.
Go, Joe.
Okay. So Badro, I would transfer half of the money now. Then by tomorrow, I'll give you the balance.
We're in business now.
Look at what happened for Bule. Me and my guy will come from Mali. We go do fishes for Orille.
What is it now?
Mystery, you go shut. Look at everybody to away. Rejoice, everybody to away. I see Sileka go. Oh, pirates, yes, right.
Yeah, Titus, did you smoke something?
Yes.
What did you smoke?
Come, make I tell you.
What did you smoke?
I want you to sing another song of freedom.
Hello. Good evening. Hello, I'm greeting.
What is it, Ikechukwu? Avoid me. Ikechukwu, avoid me. Avoid me. If you see me, just waka pass. Waka pass. Is that understood? I don't know you and you don't know me. Simple.
Hello, so I cannot greet you again.
You cannot greet me. You cannot greet me. You can never ever greet me. Greet me for what? See, if you see me coming right, just turn left. And if you use mistake and see me in your dream, just take off. Take off.
Wait, my in-law, so is it because of Bella?
Yes. It's because of Bella. It is because of Bella. Bella! That girl's chin used to give me life. Anytime I eat her chin, it's like God has added an extra year to my life. But you now went and broke up with her just because you cannot stand to see me happy. See.
Hey, my lord, if you want chin, go to the market and buy it now. Because me, as far as I'm concerned, me and Bella, we are through. And me like this, I've moved on. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I've even met one sharp new babe, and she's coming to visit me today.
You have made a sharp new babe.
Sharp new babe.
She's coming here to see you today.
She's coming, yeah.
Okay. There's no problem. I will be here waiting for her.
No, it's okay.
Oh,
You're
yes.
welcome out for me. Standard. My lord, do you know if there's food in the house? I'm hungry.
We'll go kill you and that food that you're asking for there. If I thunder will fire you and fire my friend, will you come and take? You don't want food again? Idiots.
Good afternoon, sir. Please, I'm looking for Ikechukwu, sir.
So it is you. You are the one.
Sir, I'm the one. How, sir? What did I do, sir?
Very good. Very good. See, let me tell you how this is going to happen. Oh? Now, you are going to start running. After you start running, I will start to count from 1 to 5. When I finish, I will pick this cane, either 1, 2, or 3 of it, as the spirit leads. Then I will chase you. But if I catch you, I will flog the living daylight out of you.
Sir, I don't
1.
understand. Sir, I don't understand, sir.
Oh, you don't understand? You don't understand how to count 1, 2, 3? Don't worry. By the time I'm done with you, I will teach you how. 2, 3, 4. You're still standing. You're waiting to learn. Come and learn how to count. Come back here. Where are you running to? Come and learn.
What is it? What is it, man? What is your problem? Why are you chasing this innocent girl? We get this all afternoon.
What is your business? Is it you that I'm chasing?
No, forget about it. My eyes cannot behold anything evil. My eyes cannot behold injustice. What is the meaning of this nonsense? This all afternoon, you're chasing this innocent girl with cane. What do you want to do with her?
Come, Miss Azu. If you don't get out of my way right now, I will use this cane to spell your name on your back.
You cannot do anything to stop that nonsense. Why are you intimidating people? Who are you? Chief, are you the owner of the streets? Who are you to intimidate people? You're telling to the streets so everybody is. Why would you intimidate this girl with cane?
Azu, leave my front. If not, I will kick you like corner kick. Oh.
My friend, you cannot do anything.
I will kick you like corner kick.
Forget this girl. If you try me, I'll kill you.
What is your problem, sir? What is your problem?
Don't even try me.
You are removing one for me.
It's not even try you.
You are removing one for me.
If you try me,
when was the last time you were flogged?
When we stop that,
when was the last time you were flogged? I will give you
no, don't touch me.
So you are very stupid.
No,
so that is the problem in this estate.
No, I'm not afraid of
that does not concern you.
in this estate.
What does it have to deal with you? I will silence you forever.
If this girl touch me, if this girl touch me, I will deal with you. We'll stop that nonsense. Stop talking nonsense.
You think it's my child?
Who are you? Who are you?
You think?
No, hold on, you're choking. Hey, come. Give me water. Give me water.
You think it's my child?
Hold on, you're choking.
You think it's my child?
Take water. Give me one.
Bottle water.
Chief, you are very stupid.
You are an idiot.
Chief, you are very stupid.
You cannot my gate.
You cannot do anything. We all the streets.
I will perforate you in a way that you will not be
my friend. No, let it touch me now. Get out. If you're not afraid, let it touch me. If you're not afraid, let it touch me. Let it touch me now. If you're not afraid, let it touch me.
What have these people have taken from this pineapple? This thing is not. Agnes, come to the parlor now. There's an emergency. What is supposed to be? Agnes, there's an emergency.
Imagine who now?
Which one is imagine what? Look, Agnes. This pineapple was more than this. What happened? In fact, count it first. Count it.
Yeah, it is plenty now. I cannot start counting it.
I know that is what you people thought. That it is plenty. So if you steal some from it, I will not notice. But what you did not know is that this pineapple is audited. It is audited. I counted every piece and kept the record. Now, 5 pieces are missing. This pineapple is 5 pieces short, Agnes.
Huh?
And if you do not produce it, somebody in this house is going to kiri.
Anamano.
Bet it. Bet it!
Maka pineapple.
Bet it! Whether it is pineapple or not, you will know. Just bet it.
Yes, come in.
Come inside. You're welcome.
Good day, sir.
Yes.
My name is Mazinduka Odoziobodo, and this is my wife, Riako Teresa Odoziobodo.
Okay.
Welcome.
We just newly moved into the estate. So we say let us go around and meet our neighbors. So here we are.
Good evening, sir.
You're welcome, my sister. You're welcome. Please sit down, sit down, sit down. You're welcome.
Welcome.
You're welcome. Aggie. Oh, that's my wife Agnes, by the way. Yes. Please go and bring that special wine. The fridge. That is if your brother has not drank it. Don't worry, just bring it and let us entertain our guests too. You're welcome. But this is your red cap. I hope you are safe.
I'm a titled man. Okay. I'm a red cap thief. Sorry, chief.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you were a thief. We'll have had to lock up everywhere. But this your wife is very lovely. In fact, you have very good eyes.
It's not easy.
Yes.
Even your own wife, she's endowed at the backyard too.
Yeah. Mazinduka, don't go there. You don't just move into the estate. I'm sure you don't want to move out.
Wow, madam, your shoes are really nice. They are beautiful. I like them.
Thank you. Thank
Yes.
you. If you want, I can sell one like this to you.
You sell shoes?
I deal in bags and shoes now. Yeah, importer and exporter. Wait, though. You have not heard of Aggie boutique and shopping bags? No. Hey, Mwangwa, come. Come, let me sell market. Let me go sell market.
I know.
Yeah,
Women and shoes. That is it. That's right. Mazinduka. The way you are looking at this pineapple is like you like it.
I like pineapple. I like well. No. I like well. Hey. I like.
I can see that.
I like well though.
I can see. But Mazi. I gave you to just take one and then say you are confiscating the whole plate.
Oh, I thought that you have belly full.
No, I have not. I have not belly full.
Let me just take some.
Now, wow. Here. Here.
Let me take from my Orea. She like it. She used to like it.
It's alright. It's okay.
Just more.
I know. It's alright.
Chief, this wine is good though.
I don't buy anyhow wine, no.
Really?
I buy my wine straight from Spain.
Look, Chief, next time you want to buy wine, tell me. Let me give you money so that you can buy for me.
That's not a problem. That is not a problem. Sorry, excuse me. Let me take this. Try this boy. Yes, what is it? God, what is the problem now? What has happened again? See, wait, I warned you when you were crossing the 7 seas to go and marry that Mami Water. Didn't I warn you? No, it's not a matter of listen. Didn't I warn you? Now she's terrorizing your life. You'll be disturbing me. Yeah? You think you're supposed to be able to stand up to your wife and take your stand. The next thing you help you to do, help kill you there. My friend, will you get out of my phone? Get out of my phone, my friend. If you cannot handle your matter, can you imagine this boy?
There is no problem.
Is he not my stupid brother? Eh? When he was going to marry that tiger, I warned him. He did not listen. Now, any small thing now, you will be disturbing me with his problem. Can you imagine him telling me to come and help him to beg her to give him his own car keys? Car that he bought with his own money.
How?
Imagine that rubbish. I mean, a man must be able to stand up to his woman. Mazoduka, I hope your wife is not the one controlling you.
A red cap chief. Now a woman cannot control me.
Anyway,
how can a woman control me? Red cap chief.
I trust you. I trust you. You don't even look like that kind of
woman
person.
Cannot control me.
You don't even look like that kind of person.
Mazi, let us go.
Oriakum.
You're welcome.
You go in. Let me finish. I will join you.
Mazi, let's go home.
Chief, thank you for your condolence. Sorry for your...
Mazi!
I will go with you.
Oh, Mazi, if I get home before you, you sleep outside.
It is already finished. Let me just come out finish it.
Honey.
Aggie, did you see what I just saw?
Honey, my did though. It's like Mazi respect his wife.
Respect kill you there. Which one is respect? This man has been tied by his wife. As a matter of fact, Mazi Nduka is living in bondage and his name is not even Andy. Agnes, see, what I'm trying to say is I have to start that operation OSM.
Honey, what is OSM?
Yeah. Operation Save Mazi.
Which Mazi?
That man that just moved into our estate now. See, I think his wife is controlling him. Yes. And something is telling me that I have to help him. So I have decided to liberate him.
Honey.
What?
I don't think it is a good idea to be putting mouth in people's marriage.
Marriage, quoi? Yeah. That one is not a marriage. That is not a in fact, what we are looking at is a hostage situation. What is the point, Seth? Person teach you the grammar, you just stay scattered.
Honey, don't put mouth in somebody's marriage.
Mind your business. Mazi. I said it was you. Chief. But where are you going under this hot sun carrying the super sack?
I'm going to the market to go and buy food stuff.
You are going to do what?
To go and buy food stuff.
You, a whole red cap chief, going to the market to buy. What happened to your wife?
That one, she's watching television. And the wife, she's enjoying it. Chief.
Mazi. How many times did I call you?
Chief, why are we counting?
We need to count it too. We need to count this one. In fact, there's even no point. Mazi, I think your wife is controlling. In fact, it's not a matter of think. Mazi, your wife is controlling you.
Don't go there. I'm a red cap. How can you tell me that?
My friend, forget that red cap. Which red cap? She has turned this one to a red scarf, even a red gilly or red corset. This is no longer a red cap on your head. Look, let me tell you, your wife is controlling you. In fact, I'm sure that if I search you now, if I turn you upside down and shake you, I'll find battery inside you.
As a woman cannot control me. I'm a red cap chief.
Leave that red cap chief. What is a red cap chief? She is controlling you. How can you, a whole red cap, be going to the market when you're supposed to sit down and relax in your parlor? While your wife goes to the market. I mean, after struggling to put food on the table, you are not the one going to the now. Mazi!
Chief, I think you are correct.
Of course I'm correct.
You are right. How can she say? And you know I was watching television. I was watching football. She just came and said, I should go and buy bitter leaf. I was thinking it's city love.
Which dirty city love is that one?
Come. This woman want to change my red cap from red to blue.
It is even red corset already. Mazi, you have to go and reclaim your rightful position now.
Mazi?
You have to.
Mazi, you allow woman to control you. Chief, I'm going back to reclaim my manhood. This cannot happen. How? At did not know. I thought that this is how you people do it in city.
Which people? Even as much as I love Agnes, have you ever... Go and reclaim your position.
Had it been you were not here, I would have just allowed her. When I got there now, people will say that this red cap chief is has turned
Thank the ancestors. That is why I'm here. Imagine. Go back and reclaim your rightful position. You have my blessings. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Nobody but yourself can free your mind. Let your wife's energy, not in fact, what energy does she have? Imagine a whole red cap chief going in the hot sun to market. Okay, what if Okada hit him, break his waist? What are you going to say to your Indians and also? Eh? What will you say to them? Nonsense. I cannot tolerate it, or everybody knows that I'm the man in my house. Agnes cannot even try it. She say hi. Sorry, my friend. So, Mazi, what is going on?
Mazi, where are you going to with those bags now?
They have kicked me out of my house.
What did you do?
Somebody told me that I should man up to my wife. I should man up to my wife. I should go and reclaim my manhood. Now my wife have kicked me out.
Who told you?
It's the person that I'm looking at now.
Her name?
What?
Her name?
Wait. What happened? What happened? Eh? Did I know that it was going to end up like this? Or was that bad advice? Is a man not supposed to take charge in his home? Eh? Anyway, this one that you are carrying back now, which hotel are you checking into?
This hotel. This hotel!
You say?
I'm taking into this. You people should come and show me my room. Look, what I want is executive room. Nobody should give me a small room because I'm not a small person. And I want double size bed. I don't used to sleep in small bed. Come and show me my room.
Hey!
Mazi!
When you will not mind your business, and now see, we have a guest. Executive bed.
Agnes.
Get it?
Agnes. How many times did I call you? You know that the situation in his house is not the same with our own, no?
How do you?
You know if you try rubbish, the roles will be reversed. You will be the one carrying must go and looking for a hotel room in somebody's house. So
give me my executive bed.
Don't try it. I'm the man here. I'm not Mazin Duka.
How do you?
Hey, Mazin Duka! Mazin Duka!
Give me my executive bed. Why you will not mind your business?
Mazi, please shift. This is my spot.
Chief, shift. These people want to score us. These people want to score us. Yeah, Makoya or whatever. If you will not, he will not shoot that ball well. Now after how he will go and do own goal. Hey,
Mazi,
wait.
Move now. Let me rest.
Go!
Stop! I told you, blow. Move, let me rest. What
we have stopped. This messing boy, he can play ball. Boy. Chief, restaurant have they prepare food?
Restaurant what?
Madam! Madam! Please, do my fufu, let it be big, let them put 3 fufu for me. Do you know that I have been fasting since? This woman have been forcing me to do fasting since. Let them put 3 fufu for me, let me recover. I would have that if not for your hotel that I came to rescue me. By now I would have at least let them know that your hotel used to feed people.
Call my house hotel one more time. No, call it hotel one more time.
Okay, let us live like one big family.
Hey, go!
Agnes.
Oh, name.
Agnes, I'm going to kill somebody. No, I'm going to kill somebody, and I'm telling you, you know me, Agnes. If you know what is good for this one, you better bundle him and carry him to his house, because all he does is watch TV, eat, sleep, watch TV, eat, sleep. As if we don't have enough consumers in this house.
I'm sure if you were minding your business, we will not have this person in this house now.
That is what you have to say. That is what he has to. It's not your. Look at him. No, look at him. Look at the way he just balanced, like balanced diet. Look at him. I know what to do. No, I know what. I'm going to bundle him and go and deposit him in front of his house. Then let us see whether he'll be able to continue. This is nonsensical. See the way he's turning. See the way. Jesus! I don't blind. Jesus! Oh, Mazi don't decay. Mazi has decayed. His intestines are finished. It's like he drank rotten milk. Ew, I'm even putting mouth there. Mazi, I'm blinded. Agnes, I can't see. Open the windows, oh Agnes. Open the windows or open the doors. As in, this man's stomach is rotting. Jesus! Jesus, he's still sleeping. Mazi, now, what is all this one that you are crying as if you are a baby? Eh? Man up now. You are supposed to be a man. What is all this?
Leave me alone. I miss my wife. I miss Oriakum.
Don't know, Mazi. Oh, food will soon be ready.
Leave me alone. I miss Oriakum. I want to see Oriakum.
Can you see what you have caused, eh?
I know it is my fault now. It is my fault. Everything that happens is my fault. Don't worry, Mazi. I will go and talk to Teresa. I will try and see if I can talk some sense into her. Yeah.
You can see.
So if you talk one more, you can see there. What is your problem now? Let him man down now. Let him man down. Was I the one that slapped him? Which one is you can see? That one you cry like a small picking at the teeth his bread. Thank you very much, my sister. Thank you. I know that you'll be wondering why I'm here. As our people say that a toad does not run in the daytime unless there's something that is... Jesus! Hello? Hot water!
Oh, is it hot? Sorry.
Teresa, why would you give me hot water now?
Hey, it is to burn that your tongue that you used to put in other people's marriage. Yes. Mazi told me that you are the person that told him to come and fight me.
Fight what? No, it is not so. No, in fact, that is why I have come. You see, to apologize and to tell you to please forgive Mazi. And let us take it that the bite of yesterday was mosquito. So forgive me and forgive Mazi.
Okay. Hey, if he wants the forgiveness, he should use his own mouth and come and ask for it.
I will tell him.
Okay.
I will tell him.
There's no problem.
Hey, but this is my hand that you are burnt now. Can you have ice block? So, hey. Mazinduka, I believe you have something to say to your wife, Teresa.
Oriakum, I'm sorry. Is the devil, in fact, is this man here that tell me to come and challenge you?
He's talking to you, you're cutting me bad eye. Sorry. Anyway, Mazi, this is not the time to be pointing fingers. We're just trying to settle things here so that everybody can go to their house. Please.
Please.
Nduka.
Oriakum.
Nduka.
Orim.
You will not challenge me next time. You can hear me. You know I love you.
I love you too.
Hi.
Oh. What is all this now? I say you will start going to your house, or is it not both of you that will remain here?
I'm looking for a sister.
See love. You cannot even love somebody like this.
Stand up.
Stand up and do what?
See, these curtains have been like this since, and I've been complaining about it.
You must not. No, I'm not. You must not. I agree. You must carry me.